Hindi naman po siguro goodbye sa volleyball. Siguro po kasi nung nakaraan na sumali ako ng PBB, kaka-start lang din talaga ng professional volleyball. So, since kaka-umpisa pa lang, I felt like I had to really prioritize kung saan din talaga ako nag-umpisa. And I wanted to see kung gaano kalayo nga naman talaga makakabot ng volleyball. And looking at how it is now, syempre I've been playing in the professional league for 10 years already. So siguro towards the end of my volleyball career, hindi pa naman ako aalis. Pero syempre, as you grow older and you have a lot of different priorities, I also want to try out different areas. And dun ko nga talaga pinano and namin din ng Joel na bumalik din in show business and see what is there if may mga opportunities. And I want to learn more things and new things and to try it out then because sabi ng Tito June, yung mga kapatid ko, yung daddy ko, and sabi ko, gusto ko rin siguro ma-experience for myself. Pero as of now, hindi pa po ako magpapaalam completely sa